Mm-hmm.
His goodbye kiss will be their last.
This one. I want to read it different than the most. I want someone else to read it.
If you're tired, you can stop. You don't need to keep reading them and reading them.
I don't want to do it, but I want to give them a new game faster.
You just need to wait.
Told us that they were partying with the door. Drinking alcohol. They did some drugs.
We're almost careful who we let in his life, but he was very free-spirited. You know, he loved life and he was just in the moment.
Within his circle of friends, there were some people involved in narcotics use and sales.
One pastor ran with friends that were not only professional photographers, actresses, models. He ran a circle with people that had criminal records. You know, they were friends of his. Rodney Kate was friends with Brandy Stevens. That's how Brandy Stevens gets into the mix.
He's working in movies. He was a grip, and he also did a lot of designs, and he could show construction and that kind of thing. He's kind of a carpenter. And I think he was also doing some things that he didn't want me to know.
He needs to start getting into trouble.
He's a little bit of a shady character.
Under questioning, Roland's friends drop a bombshell. His two friends told us that Brandon Stevens was wearing a green shirt, shorts, and a red baseball cap.
What have you done? What have you done? Is the policeman coming now? You better go shut that door quick.
No.
Well, the policeman's gonna come if you don't go shut it.
I want to stay with you.
This is why you don't touch things like that. The door. Can you go close it so the policeman doesn't come? The door going outside. No, not the bathroom door. Oh, what's happening?
Daddy!
Uh-oh. Go shut the door quick before the policeman comes.
I want your daddy to shut it.
Were you getting into trouble? Hmm? Were you getting into trouble? Were you touching things that you shouldn't have been touching?
I think the policeman's here.
No. Don't call him.
No, I think he's already here at the door to get you.
No. I want to stay with you.
You want to stay here?
Yeah.
Well, then maybe you shouldn't touch the door or touch things. Right? Should you not touch things that you're not supposed to be touching?
No.
Hello, is there an Irelyn that I can take? I'm the policeman.
I want to stay with you. I want to hide. I want to hide behind you.
It was Daddy. We're just kidding.
That's why we don't touch doors that we don't need to be touching, okay?
Okay. Then how does the policeman know that? Then how does doors that you're not supposed to be touching get you in trouble?
Nana and Granda have an alarm system. so that people can't come in.
Inside this black backpack was paperwork addressed to David Miner.
Are you ready for bed?
But what if people want to go out?
Well, we turned it off.
Setting an address for all the customers.
To go out?
Hey, do that with your tongue again.
What?
Do that with your tongue again. Hmm?